No chaos. Expected traffic nightmare averted as police swarm major intersections. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, staying home. Violence forces St. Andrews students from a school to keep away from school.
Casual day. Why students at one St. Catherine school were not in uniform.
PEP or GSAT. Grade 6 curriculum changes, but textbooks are the same.
Safety first. The fire department to lobby education ministry for more schools to comply.
And in business news partnership, Jamaica producers calls on government to work with them.
There's also sports, commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what was your experience with traffic today?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.